Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to supercharge your Notebook LM notebooks by starting with much better prompts. So let's say you're in Notebook LM, you want to create a new notebook because there's another topic you want to find out more information about. We're going to click on Create New, and then this window pops up. All right, so if you're not familiar with Notebook LM, you can add sources from your computer, websites, or YouTube, Google Drive, or if you have copied text, you can add it as a source material. But this one right up here is the one I want to talk about today. This allows you to search the web for sources on a given topic. This would be something you would use if you are interested in learning about a topic, but you don't have any of your own sources on it yet, and you're just looking to sort of introduce yourself to it. Well, what this box allows you to do is tell Notebook LM what it is you're trying to study or gather information on, and then it will search the web looking for sources that meet your criteria. All right, so depending on how you have this connected, you can either search the web or your Google Drive, and then you can use either fast research or deep research. To be honest, this video is not about how you would pick this other than using the web to find your sources. So what you can do here is you can just type it what you want the sources to be about. You can give it any criteria, focus on this aspect, this application, whatever. The issue here is if you don't start with a good prompt, you're probably not going to get the best sources for your notebook that really address the issues you want to learn about. So I'm going to show you a way that you can supercharge the quality of this notebook by using Gemini first in order to figure out something to enter into this box. And that's what I'm going to do now. So before I type anything into that prompt box in Notebook LM, I'm going to go to Google Gemini here and I'm going to ask Gemini to write a prompt for me. If you're not familiar with this process is called meta prompting. Meta prompting is simply sort of having an understanding of what you want your prompt to do and to be about, but using artificial intelligence to help you craft a better prompt. A better prompt is going to get you what you're looking for much faster, more efficiently. So I'm just going to come up with something. I need sources that analyze the fishing tourism industry in Canada, specifically as it relates to environmental impact for a new notebook in Notebook LM. Help me write a prompt I can use to define my notebook and find the best sources. All right, I'm just telling it what I want. Obviously, the more information you can provide up front, the better the prompt it's going to give you will be because it will take all of that information into account. A lot of people think that AI prompting is just, oh, well, type in a sentence. Well, the more information you can give your prompt up front, the better result you're going to get. All right, so your Notebook LM system prompt. So I'm just going to copy and paste all of this. All right, now keep in mind, like you probably would not have written anything this long. Copy. And then I'm just going to paste this into Notebook LM. So I'm just going to paste that in. I'm just going to do fast research just because this is demonstrative. I'm not really interested in this topic. Click on the arrow to set it in motion. NotebookLM starts researching websites. Eventually, it'll find a bunch of sources and list them and then ask me if I want to import them. So, import those sources. And now I have a notebook in NotebookLM that is about fishing tourism in Canada, specifically as it relates to environmental impact. And I got this information by simply starting with a better prompt. A better prompt I got by asking Gemini to write that prompt for me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.